Want to trade stocks, cryptos, forex and commodities all under one app with zero deposit fees? Could this be eToro's biggest competitor? Let's find out. Welcome back to Mr. Money TV, the channel that makes financial knowledge fun. If you've enjoyed watching our content, do click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest updates from us. When we think about social trading platforms, we often think about eToro, but I'm here to tell you that there may just be a new, but not that new challenger in town. It's called NAGA. No, it's not this. NAGA is a social trading platform founded in 2015 with access to over 800 markets globally. Okay, it sounds all good, but is it legit? Well, NAGA is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and is compliant with these regulations: the European Markets in Financial Instruments Directives, or MiFID II, Market in Financial Instrument Regulations, MiFIR, Cyprus Investment Services and Activities and Regulated Markets Law of 2017. NAGA is also a member of the Investor Compensation Fund, which helps execute compensations up to 20,000 euros in the event NAGA goes bankrupt or decides to shut shop. If that's not enough, they are also publicly listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as N4G. So with one NAGA account, you can trade real stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, commodities, forex and CFDs. CFDs? Wait a minute, isn't trading CFDs dangerous? Don't people end up losing money all the time? Well, people do tend to lose money on CFDs, typically due to over-leveraging their money or just outright gambling. But just like fire, when you use it correctly, it can be highly beneficial. And if you'd like to know more about CFD trading, do check out this video here to learn more. Well, in my personal opinion, CFD trading can be a great way for me to invest in my favorite stocks at an affordable price. But trading can be very complicated, and it can take years to master. But not to worry, NAGA has a feature called Autocopy. Autocopy allows you to automatically copy the trades of others. Whatever they trade, you trade. And you decide the autocopy ratio or how much money you want to invest in, and more importantly, when to take profit or when to cut loss. All you need to do is deposit your money, choose the right trader, leave the job to him or her, and then you can go on and enjoy your life. But don't forget, from time to time, do check in to see the results. So as long as you get the right trader, you can make money doing nothing. But just one problem: how do you find the right trader? In the NAGA app, you can see who are the top performing traders in the leaderboard section. With a few simple taps, you can view their individual profile, their investing style, what they're invested in, and their performance. I'm surprised to see some traders having a 91.9% win rate. We'll have to test it to find out. Remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future returns. When you autocopy someone, you may make money and you may also lose money. The risk is yours to bear. However, I do like it because I'm able to copy the strategies of better traders while I familiarize myself with trading. As they say, the easiest and fastest way to learn something is by copying others. For those of you who are interested, you can explore and try out this feature, but do remember, there will be a fee. For every closed position, you will be charged a fixed fee of 99 cents euros, which is about 5 ringgit, and if you profit above 10 euros, which is about 50 ringgit, there will be a 5% charge. But you know what doesn't cost you anything? Hitting that like button. Okay, so overall, what are my thoughts on NAGA? In terms of the app itself, +1 for night mode. We're living in 2021. Every app should have a night mode option. So good job, NAGA. In terms of the user interface, from the moment you log in, it feels like I'm using Facebook. There's a news feed where they show me the latest trading signals from the community, and you can use this to generate investment ideas. But as for me personally, I like to use it more as a gauge to see the community's response and sentiments towards certain investments. On an everyday basis, I head on over to the Autocopy section to see how my Autocopy portfolio is currently performing. The layout is clean and simple, and all the information such as total profit and loss, total money invested, active trades, overall results and ROI percentage which are all available at a glance. The leaderboard section is also pretty fun to look at to see if there are any other traders worth copying. If I'm interested, I would view their individual profile and see what they're invested in, past performance, and if they are generating consistent profits. Another thing I enjoy is the fact that I can do my own technical charting on the NAGA app itself. Similar to the one TradingView has, it has the ability to add my favorite trading indicators, which allows me to predict price movement patterns better when timing my trades. And finally, I also love the fact that there are zero deposit fees and no additional charges for withdrawal from NAGA. However, there are standard intermediary fees charged by our local banks, so do check with your local bank. So far, we've talked about the things that I like, but what about the things that NAGA can do better? Well, in my own opinion, while NAGA is regulated in various countries, it is not regulated in Malaysia. That means we aren't protected under Malaysian security laws, and if we need to legally dispute something, our governing bodies can't help us do anything. Another thing to note is that the compensation fund only compensates up to 20,000 euros, which is about 100,000 ringgit. That means if you invest more than that, the extra money won't be covered by this compensation. And that's it for my review on NAGA. Feel free to try out by signing up with the link below and check out the app for yourself. Only deposit money when you're ready to start investing. Tell us in the comments below if you think this is the eToro killer.